You guys, the job market is changing faster than ever before. Forget those outdated ideas about needing a fancy degree to get ahead. We're living in the digital age, and the real key to financial freedom is mastering high-income skills. In this video, I'm breaking down the most profitable skills that can completely transform your earning potential. We're talking about everything from AI and software development to digital marketing and real estate. I'm going to show you exactly how to develop them and, most importantly, how to monetize the hell out of them. Stay tuned till the end because I've got a secret tip on how to stack multiple high-income skills to create exponential growth. Let's get real, folks. A degree might get your foot in the door, but it's not a guarantee of financial success anymore. The world has changed. We're living in a skill-based economy now. It's not about what you know, it's about what you can do. Think of it like this. Hard skills are your tools. They're the technical skills like coding, financial modeling, or video editing. Communication, leadership, persuasion, the ability to connect with people. These are the skills that separate the good from the great. Mastering both hard and soft skills is the ultimate power move. It's about financial independence, job security, and creating a future where you're in control. AI is not just some futuristic fantasy anymore, my friends. It's here, and it's disrupting every single industry. Companies are pouring billions into AI-powered solutions, creating a massive demand for AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning experts. Start learning Python, dive into TensorFlow, take some courses on Coursera or Udemy, and get your hands dirty with real-world AI projects. The beauty of AI is that it has applications everywhere. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and even Google AI offer some incredible resources to get you started. Look around you. Everything is going digital. Businesses are moving online, and they need skilled developers and cybersecurity experts to build and protect their digital assets. We're talking about websites, apps, software, the whole nine yards. You can learn everything you need to know through coding boot camps, online courses, and by working on your own projects. Pick a language like Python, JavaScript, Solidity, or Go and start building. Get involved in open-source projects, contribute to GitHub, and build up your portfolio. The tech world is your oyster, my friends. The internet has changed the game for businesses. Every single company, big or small, needs a digital presence to survive. They need websites, social media, online advertising, the whole shebang. Digital marketing is one of the most in-demand skills out there. We're talking about SEO, social media marketing, PPC advertising, email marketing, the list goes on. Master the art of driving traffic, generating leads, and converting those leads into paying customers. Build sales funnels that practically print money. Once you understand the fundamentals, niche down and become an expert in a specific area. SEO, PPC, affiliate marketing, you name it. Words are powerful, my friends. They have the power to persuade, to influence, to sell. And in the digital world, copywriting is king. Businesses are constantly on the lookout for talented copywriters who can craft compelling content that converts. We're talking about everything from website copy and email marketing to sales pages and ad copy. Start by mastering the fundamentals of persuasive writing. Build a portfolio of your best work, and don't be afraid to showcase your skills on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Video is eating the internet. People are consuming more video content than ever before, and this trend is only going to continue. If you're looking for a high-income skill with massive potential, look no further than video production. Learn how to shoot, edit, and produce high-quality videos. Master editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and animation tools like After Effects. YouTube automation is a goldmine. Optimize your videos for search, promote your channel, and watch the views and the revenue roll in. High-ticket sales is where it's at. We're talking about closing deals worth thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. And the best part, you often get paid a commission on top of your base salary. High-ticket sales isn't about being pushy or aggressive. It's about building relationships, understanding your customers' needs, and presenting solutions that genuinely help them. There are tons of remote sales jobs out there for SaaS companies, real estate agencies, coaching businesses, and more. Investing is the key to building long-term wealth. It's about putting your money to work for you, so you can achieve financial freedom faster. And with the rise of online brokerages and trading platforms, it's never been easier to get started. Learn the fundamentals of technical and fundamental analysis. Explore different investment strategies, from long-term buy and hold approaches to short-term swing trading. Learn about different cryptocurrencies, explore decentralized finance, and discover the power of blockchain technology. Real estate and property investing. They say land is the best investment because they're not making any more of it. Real estate has always been a proven path to wealth creation, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Learn the ins and outs of real estate investing. Understand how to analyze deals, secure financing, and manage your investments wisely. You can start small with house hacking, explore rental arbitrage opportunities, or even dip your toes into real estate crowdfunding. Automation and AI-powered business models. The future is all about automation, my friends. Businesses are constantly looking for ways to streamline their operations, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Learn how to leverage automation tools and AI-powered solutions to create and scale businesses. Explore no-code and low-code platforms that allow you to build websites, apps, and even entire businesses without writing a single line of code. The possibilities are endless. Stacking high-income skills for exponential growth. Here's the secret sauce, folks. The real magic happens when you combine multiple high-income skills. A digital marketer who can also write killer copy and produce engaging videos is a force to be reckoned with. Identify complementary skills that can amplify your earning potential. Become a jack of all trades, master of many. Pick 2 or 3 skills that excite you and start learning. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Your future starts today. There you have it, folks. The roadmap to financial freedom is right in front of you. Mastering high-income skills is the key to unlocking your full earning potential. Whether you choose to dive into the world of AI, digital marketing, real estate, or any of the other incredible opportunities we discussed, the most important thing is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no better time than now to start investing in yourself. Let me know in the comments which skill excites you the most, and let's do this together. The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt, evolve, and take control of their financial destiny.